welcome to my channel. So yeah, for those of you who are new, my name is Emily and welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you're not yet subscribed. For today's video, guys, we will be doing another unboxing, or not really unboxing, but a first impression and a review regarding a Coach Carrie 23 backpack. So I just recently got it and I've been really wanting to have a Coach backpack. It's just that they're quite expensive compared to Michael Kors backpacks. So, but this time I can't help it. I mean, I can't stop myself from getting one, and I've been always wanting to get one. So here it is, and let's start. This is quite, not really that big, but bigger than the Michael Kors that I have unboxed recently. And I just really love the color, and I didn't notice that this one suits the shirt that I'm wearing today. And this is their Coach Carrie 23. I'm not sure if it's Carrie 23 or Carrie 23, but yeah. It's just super elegant, guys, like super duper elegant. I mean, you can use this probably if you're going to work, going to school, or just going somewhere. It's really an on-the-go bag, and even if you're meeting out with friends and stuff like that, this one will still fit because it really looks so elegant. Like, you can really use it in a lot of on a daily basis or something. So now let's start ripping off all of this protective stuff on the bag so we can start looking at the bag closely and in details. This is not my first Coach bag, because I also have a Coach sling bag that I got from adorit.ph, as well as my Michael Kors bag as well. I also got it from adorit.ph, some of my bags. So if you wanted to purchase some of your bags and you're in Philippines, you can visit their website. That's really legit, guys, like 101% legit. And the seller is very hassle-free to deal with. So just in case you guys wanted to get a bag for yourself. Okay, there's a lot of stuff going on with the bag, so it's taking us forever. Every zipper, it has a logo of Coach, which is really nice. And we have some plastic in here we can remove as well. Wow, this is so nice. Let's see. So this is a backpack that has two compartments over here and a little zip packet here, but there's nothing going on at the back. It's just totally flat, which is nice as well. And here we have a small zip compartment or zip pocket compartment that has a little compartment. So it's a zipper compartment that has a slip-on compartment inside. And then it's just a burgundy color of, like, I don't know, clothing material. I'm not really good with naming clothing materials, but it is soft. So you can really put, like, let's say your card holder or like your car keys, so it's easy to access, or your house keys. And here you can find the logo of the Coach, but later, guys, don't worry, I'll be giving you a closer look of the bag when I'm done with all the talking. So the bag is around 800 grams or 0.8 kilograms, so it's not really the lightest bag you can find, but for me it doesn't really matter because I don't really bring a lot of stuff with me, so the weight of the bag doesn't really matter for me. And this is an artificial leather compared to the Michael Kors that I have unboxed before. The lining, or like the trimmed materials on that one, is 100% leather, but this one is artificial leather. But you can't really see the difference, guys. I would still say that this one is really still good. So this one has a manufacturer warranty as well of 1 year. So in case something happens with the bag, I think you can go to one of their shops and have it fixed there, just in case. But please handle your bags with care as well, because, you know, it's your babies. So here, let's open one of the compartments. Of course, you will see papers. I'm stuck with a lot of papers here already. And what's good is that it also has a little slip-on compartment, and this is how big the compartment is inside. So really, you can really put, like, let's say if you have a iPad mini, it will really fit here for sure, but not the regular iPad, I'm not sure. But I mean, it's still good. You can put some stuff here in front. And so it has two zippers, so you can like open or close it, like let's say in both ways probably. Anyway, on the other one, or the back part, it only has one zipper, and it is way bigger compartment as well. Okay, so it comes with a dust bag. Here, Coach dust bag. Here you go. So that is really good, so your bag won't get a lot of dust if it's just stuffed in your room. You get one of these things, which you should really throw and keep it away from your kids, guys, because this is dangerous if your kids will intake or eat it. And then you have a zip compartment inside, so here, and the card as well inside. So the back part is a bigger compartment compared to the front one, and it has a zipper compartment here as well. I don't know if you can see it, but here, there you go, a zipper compartment. So what's really good about this bag is all of the compartments has a inner compartment inside, so that's really smart. So you can still like put a lot of stuff inside the bag. So here you have a slip-on compartment. I'll be showing you again, guys. You have a slip-on compartment, and goes the same for this one, slip-on compartment as well. And then here it's a zipper compartment, as you can see. There you go. So you can put, like, let's say your phone, just to give an extra security for your valuable items. So this is how the bag looked like, and I think this is worth the penny, and I like it. This is my first Coach backpack. I'm really loving it. I'm not really into bags, guys, but when I buy bags, I'll make sure that I will really buy it because it's something that I will use. That's why you will really notice that most of my bags are backpacks or small bags, because I don't really bring with me a really big bags, because I don't really bring a lot of stuff. I usually just bring power banks or my lip tint, powder, my phone, house keys, cards, and I'm good to go. So yeah, this is our Coach Carrie 23 backpack. So right now I'll be giving you a closer look. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you will give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye.
Baby.